Alright, so here I have a PS Vita that I bought from Japan, and it is locked to a PlayStation account, and I can't do anything about it. It's a Japanese one, and yeah, I can't really remove it. I can't factory reset the system without it. So today, I'll be showing you guys how to go around all of that, so you can factory reset your system or log into a new account or whatever. And yeah, you will of course lose absolutely everything, because the account basically is locked to the SD card and all of that. So you'll have to basically factory reset the system completely. And if you try to do it through here, it won't allow you because you need to log in. So what you're going to do is turn off your PS Vita completely. Just power it off. And then wait a couple of seconds, and once it is off, you're going to enter recovery mode. What you're going to do is press the R trigger and hold it, the PS button and the power button, and hold them simultaneously for about 5 seconds. So let's wait here. And did it do anything? No. So let's try that again. All of the 3 buttons at the same time. Probably had to power off completely, and now it's powering on. 3. There we go. And now you are right here. So what you're going to do is press on restore this system. Just press on O if you have a Japanese one, or X if you have a American one. But since this one is Japanese, enter for me is the O or circle. So restore the system, and yes. So now this will restore it. So let's wait for this, and this will format absolutely everything, and yeah, reset the system and remove the basically account that stopped you from resetting or whatever. And boom, that was really fast, and that's really it. I am actually a little surprised it was this quick. I thought it was gonna reinstall the system or whatever, but no, it's done. So that's how you do that. Thanks for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.